Hello my friends, today I'm going to share with you a crazy thing which is makeup tutorial, and I know that I'm getting so many comments when women say I don't do video because I don't have time to create a proper makeup, proper hairstyle, and therefore I'm not doing videos. Or they say that I have to spend so much time making something for my face, etc., because I'm not looking good or my hair is not looking perfect or something like that. And again, they're sabotaging their own visibility, they sabotaging their live video presence. Or they trying to create 1,000 takes on video recording because they feel like, oh, hair's a little bit not right and this is a little bit not right and something is not that right as it should be. So we as women are so obsessed with the good looking videos, and that's why I'm going to share with you my 2 minutes makeup tutorial, because this is basically what I do before every single video and I don't do anything else. So this is powder, this is concealer, and this is red lipstick. So you will know after this tutorial that several things. My skin is nothing like flawless at all. You will know that your skin is quite probably better than mine. You will also know that this is nothing about makeup that make your skin look flawless. It's everything about the big source of lighting which is right in front of me. That's why I never recommend to use ring lights for my clients. I always talk about the big soft boxes, because the bigger the source of the light in front of you, and that can be just a big window, the better light you will have, the more flawless skin you will have. And there are many small details which I'm going to share with you in my upcoming program, but that you will know later. Today is makeup tutorial, and I never did one and I feel like, oh, what am I doing? So let's start our makeup tutorial. As you see, my skin is not flawless at all. I had acne in my life, I'm 42 years old, and I have black circles and everything else. So I'm going to share with you a very simple makeup, which is usually take me like 2 minutes or so. So I go well prepared for videos because I prefer my skin look flawless. So there is a very simple thing which I use for my dark circles. This is Maybelline concealer, and I put it just under my eyes so it can look like a little bit better, and you can see that it is actually better. If you will ask what I put under that, I use shea butter for instead of the under eye cream, and as you see, it's instantly look just so much better. Now I have another concealer which is I use instead of the tonal cream or something like this. You can use any kind of foundation if you like, but this is just super simple and fast. So what I do, I'm a little bit making shape around my lips. I basically cover all the dark areas on my face which I want to look like a little bit more even, and that's it. So not that much. Now use my fingers to just put this all things, spread it across my face. So it's just a stick concealer. You can use any brand. I'm not selling here any brands or anything like that. You can use your tonal cream if you like. I like Max Factor sometimes, not like I use it right here right now, but I do like it. So as you see, using this, my skin looks better right now for video perspective, and like it's very rough makeup. I don't know if it is perfect or not. Now what I do next, I just use a compact powder, nothing else, nothing much, very simple one, and I just try to remove that shininess on my face because I don't like it. If you are fine, your face is not look that shiny as mine, you may not need to have powder at all. So use a powder which is in your skin tone. This will be better. And I just cover it basically in a very simple way. So now I have my face nice and even, and I'm happy with that because nothing else basically needed for that. I also don't use much makeup usually for my eyes because I'm allergic to most of the things around my eyes, so I'm not comfortable with that. So it's really minimal makeup, and you don't really need to put that much of powder, just like I never did it in front of my phone, so it's like a little bit weird. So okay, my face is well prepared. Now what I do, which you probably don't need to do, but I do it, I just add a little bit to my eyebrows, just a little bit, so they are a little bit more visible. And I'm quite probably need to do it in front of the mirror instead of doing it in front of the camera, because it's like require a bigger mirror, so I don't really see how much I do and what I do. So okay, my eyebrows kind of looking better right now. Now I can brush them, and voila, they're looking good. They're looking good now. I wish I would see them better. So kind of my eyebrows are now more visible. Now the last touch, which I'll do, and this is a very simple thing, because the red lipstick basically create a huge contrast over your face. This is one of the best lipsticks which I use on my videos, and it really works super cool. Basically that's it. So as you see, this is very simple makeup, and once I will wear my spectacles, you will not see any issues around my eyes, and there is no makeup as such or something like this. Sometimes this makeup can be a little bit more, but this is basically it. So it's just 2 seconds, 2 minutes makeup, which I can do much faster if I will not show you how do I do this. So this is something which will help your skin look flawless. But the key, the most important part of your flawless skin, when you don't really need makeup, if your skin is better than mine, is the good lighting. And remember that the bigger light source, the more soft your light source, the better quality you will have for your skin. So the quality of the light, this is what makes your skin look flawless. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and I hope now you understand that the light source is actually more important than the flawless skin. And I can prove you this. Look at me, here I am without the light source, and well, you can't see me, you can see my face, your focus is somewhere else. The huge contrast create a lot of unnecessary details on my face, and therefore lighting is a key for your flawless skin. Please know it, the bigger the light, the better. So I hope you got me. Lighting is a key for your flawless skin. The setup is a key for the fast video. You can make makeup in 2 minutes. You can you can do your hair pretty quickly. I know it, I'm sure, because you have wonderful hair, you have wonderful skin, and you need to have a big source of light, which quite probably your window. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope now you know that to create perfect 5 minutes video, you need like 10 minutes, 5 minutes to be prepared and 5 minutes to deliver your video. And I will see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, and I forgot to say you something really important. I'm preparing absolutely fantastic new program which will help you to brand your brilliance and create videos just like you're super professional. Stay tuned. I'm going to share with you this pretty soon. So follow me on all the platforms just like this, and I'm going to invite you to the best program ever, which will make your skin look flawless on video, your video will look professional, etc, etc. You will be just brilliant. I'm absolutely sure about that. See you next time.